Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll talk about my trading performance during the last week. I also posted all of those concepts on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Guys, my trading strategy is based on the SMC, smart money, or liquidity concept. You'll see how I use that SMC to figure out positions on my chart. As you can see here, sell-side liquidity has been swept away, and the price has quickly returned to the trading range. Then I waited for the price to change his character, and for a break of structure on the chart. Now, you can see a change of character that occurred after breaking the higher high on the lower time frame. And then a break of structure occurred after a change of character. I do not take positions, or enter trades without those confirmations. These are the first rules I follow strictly, before taking any position in the market. So, this is our first demand zone after the change of character, which has not yet been mitigated. So, I placed all of my open and limit orders from this demand zone, and I set all of my stop losses below it. So guys, here are all of my open and pending orders. This is our first profit target or buy-side liquidity area. According to my strategy, the price must move from this demand zone to buy-side liquidity. Liquidity areas are key spots on charts, where trading activity is high, indicating important levels for traders, where the majority of them cash their positions.
Twenty minutes later.
Nice.
Guys, as you can see, only 2 pending orders have been filled, and the price has swept the buy-side liquidity, or reached our first profit target. So, I closed my 2 open orders and booked my profits. So, following the first trade, this is the final and last trade I executed last week. Guys, as you can see here, sell-side liquidity has also been swept away in this euro to Canadian dollar pair. I used the same method with this pair as well. I hope you understand the strategy I described in the first trade. Guys, after liquidity swept, on the 1-minute chart, you can see a change of character occurred. Also, we can see a break of structure occurred, following a change of character. The price then dropped strongly, or retraced back to our demand zone area. So, this is our demand zone, and prices are already in the demand zone. Now, I took all my buy orders from this demand zone area. As part of my technique, I always place my stop losses below the demand zone, or above the supply zone area. Guys, I mainly positioned my stop losses below the swing low, thus, I expanded my demand zone to the lowest low.
No! God, please, no! No!
So guys, here are all of my open orders. Let's see what happened next.
1 day later.
So guys, a day later, here, the price reached the first profit target zone, also known as the most recent buy-side liquidity area.
Nice.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, I closed all of my open orders and booked my profits.